I'm Kevin Sharvenberg with the TNRDhomes Real Estate Group. I'm excited to bring to you unit number 9 at 807 Railway. This is a 55 plus complex. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom with a single car garage. If you have been looking for a low maintenance living lifestyle, you're going to love this place. Let's go inside. Hey, are you worried about not being able to have a garden? Well, don't worry. You can place some raised garden beds on your back patio. You're going to notice it's a nice covered section. Great spot to kick back at the end of the day, have a glass of wine, or even do some barbecuing. Thanks for joining me for the video tour. Reach out to your agent or better yet, call somebody from our office, and we'd be glad to book a showing for you.